Welcome to my channel, Tasha's Merch Review. I'm Tasha. If you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button below and hit that bell to be notified. If you're returning, welcome back. Alright you guys, today I'm going to unbox and give you my first impression of the Moto G Play. Came out this year, 2021, and it was purchased from Best Buy for $169.99. So let's go ahead and look around this box, then I'll unbox it and give you some information. So as you can see, this is the front of the box. You have the Motorola logo, the name Moto G Play. It's turning on its side, Motorola logo, nothing on the front. On the other side, same information. And on the back, it includes the Moto G Play, the charger, the cable, the guides, and the Sims tool. Okay, and then some branding on the bottom of the box. So, simple box, simple packaging, nothing fancy. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this box and pull out this Moto G Play. Opening the box, right on top we have the Moto G Play. In this paper here. So I moved the phone off to the side. Let's see what's in this box. Opening the box. So you get your Moto Care, your Sims ejector tool, some legal notices here, your charger, USB Type-C, and your charging brick. Moto G Play comes in two colors. It comes in a misty blue and a flash gray. I got the misty blue. You have the fingerprint scanner, 13 megapixel camera. On the bottom here you have the speakers, the USB Type-C port, and the microphone. On the other side you have the volume rocker and the power button. And on the top you have another microphone and a 3.5 headphone jack. Now the screen is a 6.5 Max Vision HD Plus 1600 by 720. The batteries should hold charge for 3 days on one single charge. 19 hours of watch time, 16 hours of browsing. This is water repellent, so say if you accidentally spilled your water on it, it will repel the liquid. It runs Android 10, has 3 gigs of RAM, and is running a Snapdragon 460 processor. It has 32 gigs of storage, and you can add up to 512 gigs of more storage using a micro SD card. Also, it has the My UX control. You can control the phone with gestures, and it has customized settings. You have face unlock, and like I said before, you have the fingerprint scanner. Start this up so we can see how that screen looks, and I can give you my overall impression. Be right back. let's turn it on and let's look at this screen. So I'm going to hit this power button on the side. And as you see, it has the Motorola logo, powered by Android.
Hello, Moto.
If you have made it this far in the video and have yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Have you hit that button yet? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free to do. And also, if you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Okay, so here is the Moto G Play. This is the home screen. And as you can see, the screen is pretty nice for the price. You have like the dip shape screen bezel. So you get pretty much screen on this one here. See your apps. This is your app drawer. And when you want to go back to home, you just swipe up. Say if you click on your settings and you want to go back, you will swipe this way. So yeah, this is a nice phone for the price of $169 at Best Buy unlocked. It's solid in the hands, made well. You have dual cameras, fingerprint scanner. So yeah, this would be a nice phone for anyone who wants a phone that does everything but don't want to pay the price. It does not have wireless charging, so that's one drawback. But other than that, I would say the Moto G Play gets a thumbs up from me. So this is my unboxing and first impression of the Moto G Play. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next merch review.